Hey guys, welcome to Android Mate. In this video I will show you how to transfer data from one activity to another activity using intent. So let's start. Open Android Studio. To save time I have already created layouts for both the activities. I will provide the source code in description. So without wasting much time let's move to the logical part. Open page 1 class file. Declare variables for both the edit text fields and button. Then initialize both the edit text fields and button. Now create onClick listener for the button. Inside onClick listener, create two string variables to store edit text data in string format. To move from one activity to another activity, initialize and create intent object. First parameter is in which currently you are, in my case it's page 1 activity. And second parameter is on which activity you want to go, that is page 2 activity. Intent.putExtra is used to transfer data using intent from one activity to another activity. It accepts two parameters which is in the form of key and value. First parameter is key and second one is value. Key could be any string value. Now pass the intent in start activity. We are done coding the first activity. Now let's move to the second activity. Create two text field variables to display full name and email. Initialize both the variables. Now we are going to get the data from intent using the key and store it in a string type variable. Now let's set the data to the text views. We are done with the coding part. Let's view the output. As you can see, we are getting the exact output as expected. If this video was helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe Android Mate.